So now we're going to style the client's hair, and what I want to do is I want to dry it all straight forward first because that's the direction it grows. Then I'm going to dry it to the side, and then we're going to dry the front up a little bit so we can get a little height in the front. And then we're going to use a grooming cream or a styling cream because with our we just had a consultation and he would like to have a medium shine. He doesn't want it to look too slicked, but he doesn't want it to look too dry. So we're going to go with a styling cream with a strong hold with a medium shine. So I like to use a dryer with a nozzle on it so I can direct the heat, and it works a lot faster that way and it's a lot more accurate. So. So as I said, we're going to dry it all straight forward first. Now we're going to dry it to the side. Okay, now after we're done drying it to the side, now we're going to lift it up in the front a little bit by holding the nozzle right at the roots of the hair to dry it at the roots and give it just a little bit of lift in the front. And then when we style it, we're going to brush it all to the side with the styling cream and just up a little bit in the front. So now as you can see with all the razor work that we've done, even without any product in it, exactly the way he wants to style it, just by drying it with a hairdryer, it's going to stay right in place. But we're still going to put product in it, but I just wanted to make that point to show you the power of that razor cut on top, especially with straight hair. It's very, very important. So now we're going to take a decent amount of styling cream. Okay, so about that much. And you want to emulsify it through your hands, and you want to get it right down to the roots of the hair. So we'll start out on the top, and then use your fingers and get it right down to the roots. And then we want to spread it right where the part is. Then we can use either a comb or a vent brush. In this case, to go with a little bit of a neater look, more professional look, we're going to use a comb. So what I want to do now is, again, I'm going to comb it in the exact growth pattern the way it grows in the circle. So we're going to comb it all forward. Okay, we'll take a look at the back here. And then we're going to start pushing it to the side a little bit and down. Now on this side, the problem side, we're going to go down into the back a little bit. Now all the time I still have more product in my hair, so we can push it down a little bit. I want to make sure we have that part in the right spot. And now we're going to lift the front up a little bit. Okay, we need just a little bit more product in the front, still just a little dry. Okay, then we'll spin him around. So now you can see where he was real heavy, where it wanted to fall down. It goes back just nice. We'll take a nice look at the taper around the edges, which makes the rest of the haircut stand out. And then we got rid of that, what looked like a bowl on the left side there on the part side. Okay, and there we have it. We have a nice straight hard part, parted to the side, a little lift in the front with the grooming cream, and he's ready to go.